Alright, let me start by explaining what Codiska for School is. Basically, Codiska for Schools is an educational tool that brings coding education into schools in a really practical way. It's designed to make teaching and learning programming much easier for both teachers and students. Now, before we dive into the details, it's important to understand why we're doing this. Our goal isn't just to teach kids how to code. We're aiming to develop crucial soft skills. Through programming, students become confident, creative problem solvers ready to tackle real-world challenges. This is about preparing them for the future, no matter what career path they choose. The core of our solution is a comprehensive 5-year curriculum, but here's the interesting part. We use what's called project-based flipped learning. What does that mean? Well, instead of traditional classroom teaching, we rely heavily on tutorials. Students learn at their own pace, and when they are in class, they're actually working on real projects. One of the biggest challenges schools face when trying to teach programming is finding teachers who are expert coders. We've solved the problem with Codiska. Teachers don't need to be coding experts. They just need to stay a step ahead of the students, guiding them through the process. Let me break down some key points for you. First, a project-based approach. This isn't about memorizing code. It's about applying knowledge. Students work on actual projects, which keeps them engaged and helps them see how coding applies in the real world. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing those problem-solving skills we talked about earlier. Second, the flipped learning model. Students go through tutorials at their own pace, then come to class ready to work on projects. This allows for more personalized learning and frees up class time for practical work. It also encourages self-directed learning, another valuable skill for their future. Third, our comprehensive curriculum. We're not just teaching basic coding. We're covering everything from foundational concepts to advanced topics over 5 years. We're aiming to really equip students with the technical skills they'll need in the modern world while simultaneously fostering creativity and critical thinking. Lastly, and this is crucial, we're making it possible for schools to offer high-quality programming education without needing to hire specialized staff. This makes implementation much smoother and more cost-effective for schools. So in essence, Codiska for Schools is about empowering both schools and results. We are providing schools with an accessible way to offer cutting-edge programming education. And we're giving students the tools and environment they need to not just learn programming, but to become confident, innovative thinkers ready for whatever challenges the future might bring.